So here's some of the tractors, heavy into, there is John Deere, but it's mostly Farmall at Case in this group. And there's everything, mostly projects, parts, crawlers. There's quite a few TD6s, TD9s. But this is our tractor area. You can see all the Farmalls lined up there. A lot of WD6s, D9s, W6s, just a lot of stuff. One lonely little John Deere in there and a Massey. But I'm going to jump over here and I want to show you with the sun going down this one row. Now, you know those old farm grain trucks, you guys take the cabs off of them and make gorgeous rat rods, street rods. I have some of the most beautiful patina trucks here that would make beautiful, beautiful builds. So I'm going to take you down this row. Chevrolet, Dodge, Studebaker, REO Gold Comet, but oh my gosh, look at this. This is beautiful. Dodge, Studebaker. Look at this. This is just absolutely breathtaking in my opinion. Maybe I'm weird, but I just think this is beautiful. Look at this Chevrolet right here. Just amazing. Here's one over here. It's my personal favorite. Just gorgeous, but look at that. It's beautiful. And white trucks. This is an REO Speedwagon. Yep, I don't like the group, but pretty cool truck. We also have Gold Comets. But look at this. Isn't that beautiful with the sun? Oh my gosh. And these are all Dodge pickups. You know, we just did a whole bunch of them up in North Dakota. These are Montana Dry. Studebakers. There's another Dodge. Now this is kind of unusual. The doors are gone. That's too bad. It's an International Lodestar Quad Cab. But it's a 58 Impala. We'll go over here. We're at the North Farm. We have a lot of, I showed a video earlier that I got to put up yet of 67 to 72 pickups along with square bodies. But a lot of Buicks. There's a 58 Chevy, but 50 Buicks, a lot of them, lot of them. Now I want to talk about this Bel Air wagon here. So this looks like your ordinary Bel Air wagon, four-door wagon, but this one has a 348. Kind of a pleasant surprise. But like I said, that's a roller. This is an International Metro van, real rare. And also, guys, if you're into derby, demolition derbies, boy, do I got derby cars for you. I got Polaris. They must be old cop cars or Air Force cars. We have everything from pre-war, way on the end down there, to current. Okay, here's a 60 Bel Air, a lot of pickups. Gets a little rougher in this section. Pontiac Grand Prix. That's gorgeous. Look at that sunset. Okay, well anyway, there's another, over there is a Brookwood wagon. And when I go in to do inventory, and I'm pretty dirty, is I jump in, sit on the seat if there is one, or on the rocker, and get my VIN number. Well, anyway, I jumped into this one here today, and I heard, and there's somebody in the seat, and I apparently squished him and was seriously pissed off. Real nice 53 5-window cab Chevy. Some of these are more project parts up here. We have quite a few Roadmasters. And if you remember, here's a step-side D100 pickup. And then there's a bunch of pre-war frames, bodies. And I'll show you more tomorrow. I'm going to the South Farm. But it's a little rougher over here in this area. I believe that was a 63, if I remember right. Buick Wildcats. Just a lot of stuff. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm covered in ticks. But just a big assortment. I'm going to go back over to that one row. But you want to stay tuned to VanderbrinkAuctions.com. I'll be getting this inventory up and all the details on the deal. It's a Dealman family collection, and in Box Elder, Montana, and that's a mountain back there. And make sure to follow and like Vanderbrink Auctions page. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. And get to know what I'm up to. We got an antique toy tractor collection coming up. Remember the June 28th, Jaguars, Chevrolets, and more? Okay. Yeah, I just want to see that sun again. But anyway, this is a Dealman collection auction. And I got the South Farm to go do inventory tomorrow. And those 57s, I did them this morning. There is not a Nomad here. There is a 4-door sedan and a 4-door wagon. The wagon's actually really nice. Okay, but just want to show you that gorgeous sunset. I'm going to go back and clean up, come back tomorrow. You know, you guys, I'm very passionate about the hobby and work hard to get the old stuff in you guys' hands. So, you know, it's also a passion of mine. And so I want you to make sure to talk to kids, tell somebody, and keep this hobby alive. It's really cool. There's quite a few legislatures that would like to see these gone and treat them as eyesores. They're not. They can go on to live new lives as rat rods, street rods, customs, and more. Car haulers. We got fire trucks. Anyway, give me the support. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram and X. And thank you very much. And we want to see you at the auctions June 28th by Edgerton, Minnesota. We'll go walk over here a little bit. My pickup is somewhere here. Okay. But, yeah, a lot of tractors. It's about 8 o'clock. I'm just finishing up here. Now, when I say there's no services here, that's right. There's no bathrooms, there's no running water, there's no nothing. And I took a nature call with a bunch of antelope right by me. That's a different one today. But anyway, things we do for the old stuff.